How's it going, wealth builders? This is your king, and you're tuned in to Elite Finance King. Welcome to the Pride. Let's get into it. Today, join your king as we embark on an exciting journey to uncover the 5 principles that can help teenagers become filthy rich and successful. Wealth builders, it's essential for teens to have the right principles to achieve their dreams of becoming millionaires. So, without further ado, let all eyes and ears be on me and let's get started. Let's start with the first one. The first crucial principle for teenagers aiming to achieve wealth and success is to start small and be teachable. This principle emphasizes the significance of beginning with modest ventures and remaining open to learning. Countless millionaires, including Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook, embarked on their journeys with humble beginnings. For instance, Zuckerberg initiated his enterprise from his not-so-large college dorm room. This highlights the idea that small beginnings can lead to monumental success. Wealth builders, as a teenager aspiring to achieve riches and success, your king feels that it's crucial for you to understand that the path may not always be straightforward. Starting small allows for flexibility and the ability to pivot when necessary. Being teachable means you can adjust your strategies based on new information and insights from your friends, mentors, and advisors who possess valuable knowledge and experience, which can be a powerful asset on your journey to financial prosperity and personal growth. Becoming a millionaire overnight is impossible, and everyone started with their day one, and your king wants you to remember that. Alright, the second principle for teenagers is to continuously practice frugal living. This principle revolves around the idea of being conscious of your expenditures and adopting a thrifty lifestyle. I know, your king is repeatedly spouting "live frugally" from our previous videos, but why not, right? Anyways, a perfect example of this principle is Warren Buffett, one of the world's wealthiest individuals who continues to reside in the same house he purchased back in 1958. His commitment to frugality showcases the importance of saving money and living below your financial means. Pretty impressive, isn't it? Here's the thing, my teen wealth builders. Think of your income as a bucket filling with water. And that's what your king wants you to think about frugal living. It isn't about having a leaky bucket. It's about making sure that bucket is watertight so you can collect and keep as much as possible. It's not how much water flows into the bucket, but how much you manage to retain. And by living below your means and being mindful of your expenses, I can assure you that you can create a reservoir of financial strength. This reservoir will allow you to weather storms, seize opportunities, and make strategic investments, much like a skilled captain navigating through turbulent seas with a well-maintained ship. Now, our third principle that teenagers must embrace is approaching risks strategically. Wealth builders, think of it like this. Life's a game, and sometimes you gotta roll the dice. Take Elon Musk, for example, the genius behind SpaceX and Tesla. He's a risk taker, no doubt, but here's the kicker. He's not just tossing caution aside. Nope, he's playing chess with his risks. So, what can teens learn from this? Well, it's all about sizing up the situation, understanding the odds, and then making a move that's smart, not reckless. Now, let's break it down a bit more. Imagine a teen with a wild idea for a business. They could jump in headfirst without a plan. But that's like diving into a pool without checking if there's water. That might hurt, right? Instead, you should take a moment, think things through, and weigh the pros and cons. What's the market like? Can you handle the competition? Are you equipped to swim if things get rough? That's the strategic approach in action, making sure you've got your floaties on before you dive. All your king is trying to say is when it comes to success and riches, being a smart risk taker is like finding a rare gem in a field of ordinary stones. Just like any other millionaires, teens can dream big but play smart. So, remember, it's not about avoiding risks. It's about dancing with them, but with a well-thought-out choreography. Alright, here's another golden principle for teens. Principle number 4. Instead of flexing, master early investing. Picture this, wealth builders. You've got some cash in your pocket and your pals are all about showing off flashy stuff. But hold on. Instead of blowing that hard-earned dough on the latest gadgets or designer threads, why not take a page from Jeff Bezos' playbook? You see, Jeff Bezos, the brain behind Amazon, didn't start by flaunting luxury cars or glamorous vacations. Nah, that's a waste. Instead, he put his money where it mattered, into Amazon. And guess what? That investment turned into a winning lottery ticket. So, teens, here's the scoop from your king. Think long-term, skip the flexing, and master early investing and let your money do the heavy lifting. Believe me, it's the secret sauce to securing your financial future while others are still caught up in the flashy moment. Now, let's wrap it up with the fifth and final principle for teen success. Be a lifelong learner. Wealth builders, let's be serious here. Think of life as a never-ending school, and you're the student. Why? Because the world's always changing, and to keep up, you've got to be the smartest, savviest version of yourself. Take Bill Gates, the guy behind Microsoft. He's not sitting around doing nothing. He's always learning new stuff, just like a student who's eager to discover more. Try to imagine that you're on a journey to become the best version of yourself. You've got dreams, big and small. Now, instead of hitting the snooze button on your brain, keep it wide awake. Learn something new every day. It's like leveling up in a video game. Each new skill or nugget of knowledge makes you more powerful. The world's your playground, and the more you know, the better you can navigate it. So, here's a tip from your king for teens eyeing success. Never stop being curious. Never stop learning. The moment you think you know it all, you're stuck in the past while the world rushes ahead. Bill Gates didn't become a tech titan by staying in the same spot. He's a lifelong learner, and you can be too. Embrace new skills, chase new horizons, and stay ahead in this fast-paced world. That's the final piece of the puzzle for teens on the road to riches and success. So, there you have it, my loyal wealth builders, the 5 principles for teens to become successful. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow financial dreamers. Your king would love that. Until next time. And always remember, Pride members, life is short and it's too easy to be average. Make a change today.